Hello guys, and today I'm going to show the best budget gaming or editing PC that you can build for under $500 in December 2018. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The build that I'll be showing you in this video will be coming in at under $500, which is on the budget side as far as most gaming PCs, and with that price, you should expect some really solid performance in every aspect. With the PC, you'll be able to play any game out there at least 1080p, and editing performance with most high-end software will be solid as well. As always, the links for all the parts will be in the description, and all the parts shown here will be new. So the first component that we'll be taking a look at is the CPU, which in this case is the Intel Core i3-8100. The Intel Core i3-8100 is still the latest and greatest from Intel in the budget segment, and for just above $100, it has some great value. The CPU has 4 cores and 4 threads and has a clock speed of 3.6 GHz along with the Intel UHD 630 graphics on board. Overall, the CPU is more than good enough on its own for editing 1080p video, and even light gaming is doable with the CPU's integrated graphics. For the motherboard on this, we have the MSI Pro H310. This is a micro ATX motherboard that not only supports every single 8th gen Intel processor but also has many other great advanced features. The motherboard supports only DDR4 RAM and has the ability for expansion in terms of most things including RAM, CPU, storage and GPU. Overall, at $50, this is the best you can get. For the RAM on the system, we are using 8GB of DDR4 RAM by Corsair. This is a single stick of 8GB DDR4 memory, and it will be quite fast and will be good enough for gaming and even editing. The great thing about this, however, is the fact that you can upgrade the RAM pretty easily due to one RAM slot being empty, as this is just one stick of memory. For this GPU and the main gaming powerhouse of the build, we have the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This is the most common choice for a build like this, as this GPU isn't very expensive even still and offers more than enough performance for gaming. You get 4GB of GDDR5 video memory on this, and if you look at any of the benchmarks of this GPU, you will come to know directly why this is one of the go-to options for gaming. For the hard drive on this, we have the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. This is one of the newest hard drives that has gained a lot of popularity just for its efficiency and speed. 1TB of storage should also be plenty for a budget build, and this hard drive coupled with the CPU and RAM should allow this PC to run smoothly in almost every single task. For the power supply, we have the most common choice in every build, whether it be a budget or high-end, but it is the EVGA 500W 80+ watt power supply. This power supply has a capacity of 500 watts, which will be more than enough for this build and even for some upgrades later. Also, this one is a very reliable power supply, as this does come from EVGA, and it should be a great choice for this build at just $25. Storing all those components is the Thermaltake Versa H22 case. This is a mid-tower ATX case which not only looks good but functions just as well. The case has good airflow and plenty of space for good cable management and easy working. Building the PC in this case should also be pretty easy, as everything is mostly straightforward and easy to work in. So those were all the components of the PC done, and for under $500, I feel like these are one of the best configurations you'll be able to get. Performance wise also, they should be pretty good, and if you just want gaming, then this will be the perfect option. So that's it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.